My name is Michael from Ezee-Fix. Today we're going to have a go at removing a door seal from a wash machine. We're using a hot point wash machine today, but the procedure should be pretty much the same no matter what your make and model number. As always, health and safety, unplug any appliance that you're working with. A few things to get us started. We have to remove the top lid on the machine. We have to remove the kick plate, the soap drawer. The top lid, there's two wee screws at the back. I've already removed those for handiness. We just basically push the lid back, take our lid to one side. Soap drawer again just pulls out, and again kick plate just clicks off. Standard Phillips head screwdriver. We've a couple of screws here on the front panel. These are stainless steel, so keep those to one side. They're designed to not rust here in the soap drawer. I've already taken a couple of these out, just again to speed the process up a wee bit. When we have a control panel loosened, it basically just clicks off, just set up here out of the way. That leaves us access to the front panel of the machine, which we're taking off. We have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I've taken a couple out, just on this here. Also, we open the door and 2 wee screws here for where the latch is. They come out as well. And that leaves us now just to remove our door seal. We have a wee spring down here at the bottom. Standard wee small flathead screwdriver. Just push in to the spring here. That will give you access to it. And then we just pull the spring out. And that gives us our door retainer. Access then to the seal. Just push around, pull around the seal like so. Push into the centre of the machine, and that's us ready to take the front panel off. Now we're ready to take off the front panel of the machine. Again, just slips off like so. That gives us access to the seal and the inner retainer. Again, small flathead screwdriver. Just a wee seal here, just a wee retainer, just clips out. Like so. Our retainer comes off. That gives us access to our seal, and just by basically opening the seal out a wee bit, that's our old seal off. Right, now reattaching the new seal. Fingers in sort of around the band of the seal, you'll find a wee groove on the actual drum of the machine. It's a matter just of getting that into place. This takes a wee bit of a minute, and just feeding around like so as you go around the whole seal, and that should clip into place as you go around. Now we're at the stage where we put our door retainer back on again. Just follow the grooves around the outside of the seal, like so. And we'll get to here. We'll just push in like so. And it pushes back into place. That's us. Now we're at the stage where we're putting everything back together again, starting with the front panel of the wash machine. Next is our door latch on the inside. Two screws just into place. like so. Then we pull our door seal out through the door again into position. This then we just clip around the wee groove, like so. Now we replace our outer door retainer. Just follow the groove around the door seal, like so. And that's us in place. Now it's just a matter of replacing our control panel, our trim and our lid. Our control panel again just clicks back down into place. We have a couple of screws just to replace in front of this. Like so. Our soap drawer just slips back into place. We have our kick plate at the bottom. And then we have our lid, which sits back on the top, like so. As always, for your door seal and any other bits and pieces, if you go to Ezee-Fix.com with your make and model number, it'll show you what exactly that you need.